Today's lesson is about connecting fractions in division. The easiest way to explain this is sharing. We've all been somewhere, had the opportunity to share, whether it be pizza, brownies, or even some of our personal favorites, candy. Let's see what these problems look like. Our first question starts off, Chazadine has a birthday party and invites 6 of his friends. He and his friends must share 2 pizzas. How much pizza does each person get? A couple things we have to find from our problem here. First, how many people are going to be sharing this pizza? So it says he and his friends. So that's very important. So he has 6 friends and himself. So there are 7 people. And then pizza, you can see by the picture and from the description, there are 2 pizzas that we will be splitting for 7 people. Now there's a reason why I wrote it like that, because that is our division problems. We are going to take 2 pizzas and divide it by 7 people, or 2 divided by 7. Now something you may or may not know, 2 divided by 7 can also be written 2/7, which is going to be our answer for this question of how much pizza does each person get. Each person will get 2/7 of a pizza. What if the division problem that we made, we actually wrote 7 divided by 2 instead of 2 divided by 7? That would actually mean that we would be giving 7 people to the 2 pizzas. So unless you plan on being eaten by a scary looking pizza, that is not going to work. Alright, so 7 people divided between 2 pizzas. I wrote unless, no, that's not really possible. So the order of the numbers does matter. It is 2 divided by 7, which will be each person gets 2/7 of a pizza. Our next problem reads, Mrs. O'Brien's wife baked brownies for his class. He is giving them to his 25 students. How much does each person get? So we are taking 1 pan of brownies and we are dividing it by 25 kids or students. So that would be our division problem. It is going to be 1 divided by 25, which can be rewritten, which looks much nicer anyways, as 1/25. Or they would get 1/25 of the pan of brownies. And we have Darby and her 3 friends bought candy from the store. They decide to split it evenly. How much does each person receive? So we need to think, what is being split? We have 2 packs of candy is being split between how many people? Well, we have Darby and her 3 friends. That equals a total of 4 friends. Ran out of room there, sorry. So we have 2 packs divided by 4 people, or we can make the multiplication problem of 2 divided by 4, which can be written as 2/4. So our answer with our label is 2/4 of a pack of candy. So in summary, we need to, when we're looking at these problems, we need to look at what is being shared, and not only what is being shared, but how much of it is being shared. Then our keywords to tell us to divide would be divided by, or you could possibly see the word split, or shared, or they may even say distributed evenly. All of these tell us to divide. And then the last thing, what do we divide by? You divide by the who or what it is being shared with. So if it's pizza, it's how many people are eating the pizza. If it's talking about rabbits and carrots, it's how many rabbits are eating the carrots.